Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an excavator for all of your city and construction building needs. I made and designed the excavator as part of a larger build, my construction site / building site. If you want to make this or any of the other builds associated with it, you'll be able to find links for every single part of this in the card system, the description below, and the top of the comment section as well. You'll be able to find links for every single thing that has been built. So do feel free to check all of that out if you like. But without any further ado, let's get started. This is the amount of space required to make your excavator, a 10 by 3 block area as represented by the white concrete grid on the ground, which I would really recommend that you make if you are planning out a city or a world or perhaps a particularly large build like a construction site. Here are all of the materials that you will need throughout the build. Please do make sure that you have access to all of those materials and enough of them as well. Now that we have all of our stuff, we can get started. If you've made the grid, I want you to come towards the back of it. This is going to be the back of the excavator and we're going to build towards the front. On the back corners of your grid, I want you to place a grey concrete, and then extend them forwards each by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to place buttons on the outsides of these. These are the wheels, although that doesn't seem like the right name for them. I'm kind of thinking that you might call them tracks, but I don't know the technical name for them. I'm only a koala. So the next thing that we want to do is on top of the second and third blocks of the wheels, we're going to place a 2 by 2 square of yellow concrete, like this. In between, black concrete, like this. Leaving a gap of 1 in front of this, we're going to place black concrete, and it's going to span the entire build, so we want it to join in the middle. Behind the middle row, I want you to place a smooth quartz stairs, and this is going to be the seat, of course. In front of and on top of this, I'm going to place a lever that is going to be kind of like the operation for the excavator. So that's how you're going to be able to, you know, in theory, move the actual like big diggy thing around. Then I want you to take the 2 front left black concrete blocks and I want you to place a 2 by 2 square of yellow concrete in front. Take the outer left yellow concrete, extend up 1, out 1, up 2. Take the first of the 2 blocks, extend out 2, and then down 1. So this is the kind of weird shape that we should have. I then want you to grab polished blackstone wool and I want you to place 2 of these left and right of the lever that we placed earlier. Also, behind where the seat is, behind the cab, just on the left and right sides like this. I want you to place string in between the walls at the top, and we also have to have one in the middle, because we want to create a little roof made out of black concrete like this. That is absolutely perfect. Now we can build a little bit more. We can come to the end of this. So to finish this off, we're definitely going to need yellow carpet, black carpet, stone brick wall, smooth stone slabs, and polished andesite. So I want you to, first of all, place a yellow carpet left and right of the stair that we have in the center of the build. I feel as though it just helps to kind of like blend things in a little bit. I want you to place a stone brick wall in this position here. I can't really give a better audio cue than that, just right here. And also up here. I'm going to place a black carpet on top of each one of these blocks like this. It just seems to make sense. I don't know why, it just seems to go together. Maybe even one here as well, I don't know why. I mean, I did even toy with the idea of it kind of being placed all along the top, but I don't know, I don't think it's like a big enough difference that it matters either way which way you do it. Underneath the end of the yellow concrete here, I want you to place an upside down andesite stair, and then one to the left, And then this is tricky to place. I want you to place underneath these stairs, both of them, a smooth stone slab like this. And it kind of just looks like, I mean, maybe you could even extend it another row like this. Does that look good? Does that look worse? I don't even know. Would it look better to, although it'd be dragging on the ground technically like this, right? Would it be better to kind of like have this sort of thing? Would that look better? Would it even look better additionally if, oh no, this is going to be so hard to place. It might actually be easier if you do this. No, blocks here, and then if we place here and then here, does that look better? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know if that looks better. I mean, it might even look better if perhaps we grabbed these blocks. Like, it sort of depends, like, on your personal preference. I always like to throw things out there, like, does that look better so it looks like a bit of a scoop? I don't know. It's kind of up to you, your personal preference, but regardless of what you choose, that's the end of the build. So this is what your excavator should look like once it's been 100% fully completed. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this build. If you have, please do remember to hit that like button, as it really helps me and the channel out very, very much. If you're new around here, please do consider subscribing and clicking that little bell next to the subscription button. That'll ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. And if you do want to make anything else by me, check out the card system, the description below, and the top of the comment section for more. As a matter of fact, if you do want to make anything else from a building/construction site, you're going to want to check out the card system, description below, or the top of the comment section for all of the various builds that do go along with this, if you're interested. Also, the city builds playlist, if you have finally built everything you care to build for the building site, will have all sorts of awesome stuff for you that you might even be able to see in the background. But thank you so much for watching, everybody. I love you all very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.